wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best tabletop outdoor heaters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If it's absolutely frigid out but you still have chores to do, put the Dura Heat LP18 on the workbench and it'll feel like the sun is shining on your face. It draws from 2 liquid petroleum bottles and pumps out up to 18,000 BTUs, making it more powerful than many. It's perfect for power outages and includes an extension for 20-pound tanks. However, it isn't exactly aesthetically pleasing. At number 9, the ener-g Plus freestanding consists of an infrared element beneath a tempered glass pane, resulting in a tabletop that's warm but not hot to the touch, with a radiator that'll keep your legs and lower body warm on cold nights. It sports a stylish and modern appearance and is rated IP24 water and dust resistant, but it is one of the most costly choices. Coming in at number 8 on our list, essentially a miniature version of the most popular propane-powered models, the FireSense 61322 is about 3 feet tall and puts out up to 10,000 BTUs. It does burn through fuel rather quickly, so you might want to pick up an adapter in order to attach a 20-pound tank. It features piezoelectric ignition and is available in a bronze or stainless steel finish. However, it can be difficult to light. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop outdoor heaters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, available in black, white and grey finishes, the Regal Flame Bruno is an attractive addition to any table, indoor or out. It sits on an 8-inch square base, is just under a foot tall, and uses ethanol liquid or gel to produce an almost completely smokeless flame. It's made of 3mm thick steel and doesn't cost very much, though it's not the warmest option. Moving up our list to number 6. It may look a lot like a typical lamp, but the Star Patio 1566 CT draws 1500 watts in order to provide a comforting glow when it gets cold out. With an IP44 protection rating, it promises to be safe for use in dusty and even slightly damp conditions. It boasts an 8,000-hour bulb life and also comes in an overhead model. However, its output isn't adjustable. Halfway up our list at number 5. The 28-inch Bond firebowl is a great centerpiece for a group of friends huddled together on a chilly evening. It works best on top of an umbrella hole to accommodate its fuel intake and produces flames several inches high, so make certain it's nowhere near anything flammable. It features an electric ignition for an easy startup and uses a 20-pound propane tank, but it is relatively expensive. At number 4, the Endless Summer Fireplace is an effective propane-driven appliance that adds an elegant touch to any outdoor space. It heats a pile of fireglass rocks, which in turn radiate heat in every direction, including to the base, so don't touch it and burn yourself. It's equipped with a flame adjustment knob and can also be placed on the ground, which is good because it's a bit large for some tables. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, it doesn't get much simpler than the Real Hot Pot, a clay vessel that's basically just a high-temperature flower pot. It can use a variety of fuels, such as wood pellets, gel canisters, or even votive candles. Beware though that it gets deceptively hot to the touch. It's surprisingly effective and sports a pleasing rustic appearance. You can add a grate and use it as a grill. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop outdoor heaters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, because it's so compact and lightweight, the Mr. Heater Little Buddy is considerably more portable than most others. It shuts off automatically if it senses low oxygen in the air or if it tips over, so it's relatively safe. It produces nearly 4,000 BTUs per hour and is designed for spaces of up to 95 square feet. It comes in at a moderate price. And taking the top spot on our list, if your table is deep in the woods, put the Mr. Heater Hunting Buddy on it and prepare to defrost your hands after a long cold day. It's so powerful that it can even serve as a makeshift grill. Just ensure that you have adequate ventilation if you use it in a cabin. It runs on a bottle or a tank and is equipped with a tip-over safety sensor and a low-oxygen automatic shut-off. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop outdoor heaters, or simply click beneath this video.